Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to change language in Google Chrome. Let's start with the video. First of all, open your Chrome browser. Click on three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Here from the drop down menu you will find the option settings, so click on this option. Here on the left hand side you will see the option languages, so click on this option. Here under preferred languages you will see the list of languages, so to add a new language click on add languages. Here you will see the list of all languages, so you just need to select the language which you want to add. So you can scroll down from here and find the language which you want to add, or you can search the language in the search box. So click on search box, and here we are going to add French language, so type French in search box. Once you find the language, click on checkbox and then click on add. So here you can see French language has been added under preferred languages. So now to change the preferred language in Google Chrome, click on three dot next to the language and check this option display Google Chrome in this language. Now click on relaunch button. Chrome will close and reopen automatically. So now you can see your Chrome browser language has successfully changed from English to French. So guys, in this video we saw how to change language in Google Chrome. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.